Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume button. You just should swipe this white dot with your finger to the left or to the right side just to change your ringtone volume on your device. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. You just should use your volume buttons here on the right side of your device, but first be sure that here on this default volume button control you got selected the ringtone, because if you will just select the medias, you will change the media's volume with your volume buttons. So change it to the ringtone, and now we'll just change our ringtone volume by using our volume buttons. And also we can do that by the third way. You just can press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just slide up or down this white dot on your volume panel with your finger. So that's it. That's really simple, as can you see. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.